if we can have, for grid sector, a platform like Cosmos, which takes everything together.
Take tools like SEW's work management system.
Being able to anticipate what's going to happen before a storm or some other types of disruptions happen.
Users find the tools to be difficult to use, they discard them, and they start saying, hey, where's my paper maps? Where's my work order? I'll get my technical service rep to fill out the details. So getting user acceptance means, how can we improve the user experience? How can we take tools like SEW's work management system and actually make it simple and straightforward for the person to click through? Not that we discard AI, but more make AI part of the user experience.
People have always depended upon their electrical service providers, but now they're at the point, because they've got so many assets, that they really need them there. And so if we've got storms where we've got outages or other impact that's caused by them, the expectations are that we get it back on right away, or even more importantly, that we avoid the outage altogether. So we've got expectations that are really, really increasing. And then when you look at the field, with all the capabilities that are being developed now, there's really an opportunity to be able to change our posture. And instead of being so reactive as we have been in the past, really shift it to the point of being able to anticipate what's going to happen before a storm or some other types of disruptions happen, and then to proactively get people to the field.
True integration means one version of the truth, which means for a grid sector, it can be all our operations data, our network model data, our inspections data, and the analytics data all in one platform. And that's where we are having the challenge, because we have data dispersed in various platforms, and sometimes they don't correlate with each other. So in terms of grid, and this event has been an eye-opener for me. I truly envision that if we can have, for grid sector, a platform like Cosmos, which takes everything together that we have and use the vertical AI integrated into it with the help of native AI, that will help us to get all this data to talk to each other and gives us the real-time output that we really need at any given point.
There are all these puzzles out there that don't connect. Everybody had their own puzzle, they could put their pieces together, and now we're integrating all these puzzles together into one. And I think it really takes the buy-in. You've got to have champions in the field. The reality is we still have a mechanical system out there that's getting smarter. You're going to need people in the field who can, when Mother Nature comes through and blows down half your poles, we're not going to have enough bots to go out and do that. So we're going to have people. They're going to have to be aware of the technology interface as well as the mechanical interface with our systems. So I think it's just going to take buy-in from the top, from the different organizations, as well as buy-in from the employees.